creating an originated ticket in ControlPro. The difference between creating a ticket and an originated ticket is that a ticket is just created utilizing the current originator that the instance of ControlPro is on. With an originated ticket, you're able to create a ticket using the originator ID of whatever originator you are using to create your tickets. Typically this is, if it's not a third party, it's something else you've created, possibly a office originator that creates all the tickets. To create an originated ticket, we're going to come down here to the plus sign with a circle, click that. What we are going to use is the tickets originator for the systems that I have, which is going to be 701. The serial ID is going to come after the 701 on the ticket ID. This can be anything you want it to be. However you organize your tickets, you can put this number in. We're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we can do from here, if we want to create just a single ticket, we can. We just hit submit. But say we want to create 10 tickets utilizing the same materials and totals, and we just want to do it right here now instead of duplicating tickets. We can go ahead and click this checkbox. If you do one, obviously going to get one ticket. If you enter 10 tickets, you'll see the max serial ID. The number is actually less than this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the 10 includes this serial ID plus the other 9 that you're going to be adding on to it. So we hit submit. Here's the ticket template that we're going to create the original ticket from. We'll go ahead and hit the plus sign here on the materials tab and select a few materials. We're going to go ahead and pick a few liquid chemicals to put onto this ticket. Hit accept. In here we're just going to this isn't going to be any particular mix or whatnot, since this is just practice and simulation. We're going to go ahead and enter 5,000 for each of these materials. You can see it's got our total amounts down here. If we wanted to run this based on acreage, we would have to lock in our total amount, hitting the pencil, and now we could enter our total acreage here. We could say this is going to be for 200 acres, and it's going to show us our application rate. After that, we need to name this description. Typically, this would be your guaranteed analysis for these materials, whatever that may be. As I was saying, this is just a generic, so we'll just call this generic blend. Mixed groups, I will cover more in another video entitled Mixed Groups. Estimated batches, if you're going to be running this load in multiple even batches, you will go ahead and enter this however you want, and ControlPro will split this down the middle. If you're wanting to do sub batches where one load may be 5,000 pounds and one may be 10,000, that is going to be done in the system, and we'll show that to you in a sub batching video. If autocomplete is not checked, you will want to make sure that it is. The default is at 99%, but you can set this a little lower if you wish to. There's an option to set expiration dates on the tickets if you wish. Deliver batches will not have any information at the moment because we have not delivered this ticket. Customers, you're going to have to add a customer. We'll go ahead and add Captain Marvel to this one. Just as what was covered in the creating a ticket video, you have to have a customer attached to the ticket or you cannot save the ticket. We will go ahead and save. It's going to let us know that there's going to be 10 identical tickets. We do want that to happen, so we will hit yes, and that is now created. So this was ticket 2345. We will come into our ticket search. We will see 2345 down here, and then up to the top, these are all the tickets that we duplicated up to ticket 2354. So we've confirmed that the ticket has been duplicated, and we can go ahead and close this window, and then we will add this to a system. If you have any questions on creating an originated ticket, please feel free to contact Murray Equipment at 260-480-1340. Thank you.